an extended green belt along the coast. These green belts serve as a lifeline, safeguarding both the lives and livelihoods of millions living along the coast. But due to climate change, our coastal areas have become more vulnerable. Frequent cyclones, tornadoes, floods, and salinity have made life difficult for coastal populations. The green belts that once saved our lives and livelihoods are now degrading.
In these difficult times, the SUFAL project's initiatives help protect forests and forest-dependent communities while providing alternative income sources. During these challenging times, the Sustainable Forest and Livelihood (SUFAL) project has played a vital role in conserving forests, safeguarding forest-dependent communities, and promoting alternative livelihood opportunities. These were large, integrated efforts. The Bangladesh Forest Department and PROSHIKA Manobik Unnayan Kendra were the main implementing organizations in the coastal areas of Bhola, Borguna, and Patuakhali. The World Bank and the government of Bangladesh were the main funders. The two main objectives were to conserve mangrove forests and to reduce the dependence of coastal communities on these forests while improving their well-being. This initiative not only safeguarded the forests, but also actively engaged local communities in their protection and management. Under the project, new community groups were formed to support conservation efforts. Primarily, mangrove and saline-tolerant plant varieties were planted. These mangroves not only help reduce soil erosion, but also provide habitat for millions of coastal animals, contributing to biodiversity conservation. In addition, to protect the forests from illegal encroachment and destruction, local poor communities were organized into groups for active forest protection. They were provided with forest protection training and necessary equipment. These community members have now become forest protectors, understanding that by safeguarding the forests, they are ultimately protecting their own lives and livelihoods. Forest conservation work was directly linked to the livelihood development of local communities. One of the main objectives was to provide alternative income opportunities so that they would not rely on collecting fuel wood or timber from the forests. To support this, capacity-building training and credit loans were provided to help sustain their livelihoods sustainably. Women living near the forests after receiving training have started poultry rearing, saline-tolerant vegetable cultivation, and small-scale cottage and tailoring activities. Meanwhile, men are engaged in fishing in the seas and other small business ventures. These initiatives have transformed their lives and livelihoods. With regular income, families can now send their children to school, ensure proper nutrition, and maintain better health. Today, they are no longer forest destructors. Instead, the forest provides them with income and serves as a valuable ally. The clear impacts of the project have become visible over the past few years. In the project areas, forest density has increased, including in cyclone-affected regions. Mangrove forests show improved vegetative propagation and healthier ecosystems, and the income of forest-dependent communities has risen significantly. This is not just a project, it has shown how efforts can simultaneously protect the environment and improve people's lives. The integrated efforts of the government, NGOs, and local communities can transform the destiny of coastal populations, and this project serves as a clear example of that success. These protective greenbelts will endure only if people understand their true value. The protection of coastal forests and the employment opportunities created through this initiative have strengthened that understanding.
The future will be brighter and more sustainable because of the project's efforts.